Hi, this is the Lawn Care Lady, and I'm back. In this video, I'm just going to show you the beginning steps of my spring lawn care. Stay tuned. Hey guys, it's April 15th in Massachusetts, and it's a beautiful spring day. I am late to my lawn care, but I'm hoping to make new videos this year, since I really didn't make a lot of videos last year. So I'm just scoping my yard. There's debris, sticks, leaves. I have not cut my grass yet. I haven't done anything to my lawn yet. Every time I wanted to do something to my lawn, it would be raining, or I'm busy doing stuff for work. So things have not worked out well. I haven't even cleaned my beds yet. They got tons of weeds growing. I need to pull them out. The forsythia has grown nicely. This back end it does. This side forsythia, only the ends grow, and I really don't know why that is. So as you can see, the front lawn is looking really good. It's grown quite a bit since the end of March, now into April. I haven't had the time to do any cleaning or cutting. Today, that's what I plan to do. I do see some dandelions pop up here and there. Usually I just pull those out and put a little bit of weed spray on them. But I'm pretty happy with the front yard is looking right now. And it's been doing this since the end of March. Now the back part of the yard is definitely a little bit less green from here. That's because I think this area gets more shade. I did overseed my lawn in the fall, and usually from my experience when I do that, it will green up quite a bit, especially in May. So today I plan to clean up the lawn, mainly using my lawnmower to do that, and also collect soil samples for a soil test. I'm a little late for that. As you can see, the forsythias have grown. I also plan to put a pre-emergent in a few days to prevent any crabgrass from growing, which I haven't had a lot of crabgrass ever since I did a tenacity application a few years ago, but I still like to use that pre-emergent just in case. So I'm going to be using my Ego lawnmower that I've been using for 3-4 years now, I think. I'm going to use it at the setting of 3. It's just the 21-inch self-propelled. I forgot what the setting of 3 is in inches, but I'll put that on the screen for you. So I'm going to clean up the lawn, mainly using the lawnmower. I may have to pick up some sticks, things like that, but I'm excited to do my first mow because I already know some of my neighbors have. And it's just definitely a sign to do that. And my front lawn is pretty long. Alright, now that I cut my grass, before I do a much bigger cleanup job, I think I have to use my blower and even rake some parts of the grass. But I'm going to take some soil samples. I do have a very detailed video how I do that. But I'm basically going to take about 6 samples around the yard, put them into this box. I like to use the Yard Mastery kit. In this box, they give you the instructions. You really need that registration code. They give you a mailer. This is where you put the sample in. This is the scoop to add it in. And on the box itself, it tells you the directions of how to do this. And I'll put a link on my video up above so you can watch that video for the details. I use just this weed puller to get the soil samples because I don't have a probe. And I put the soil samples into this Ziploc bag. Okay, I finished taking all my samples. Sorry for the wind, it's actually really windy today. I actually think I grabbed 7 samples, and that's actually good. The more samples, the better average you're gonna get of your soil. I have a pretty small yard. I have a 2,000 square feet yard, so that should be plenty. And what I usually just do is I use this box as a sifter. I sift out all the rocks and any debris, any grass. You just want soil, and then you put it into this little jar, and then you ship it off. So I'm going to ship it today. It takes about a week for me to get my results. I'm in Massachusetts. And then I'll go from there. I'll have a video about the results and what I plan to do with those results. In the meantime, I'm going to finish cleaning my yard. I still have some grass, not grass, but leaves. It's very windy. Bunch of leaves from the fall and twigs. Got to get rid of some of those dandelions I saw earlier. And that'll be it for today. Then I think tomorrow or the next day I'll do some prodiamine application, which is a pre-emergent to prevent mainly crabgrass. And this is about the time to put that down.